Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing what agents need to see and why it matters. First, assemble 10 to 15 high-quality images, a natural headshot, full body, and 3-4 varied looks so agents can immediately judge fit. Once done, research about 20 agencies, focus on those open to new talent, and check submission guidelines precisely. Next, craft a one-paragraph intro including your measurements, location, and best contact method so you can submit confidently and avoid delays. Now you execute targeted submissions and track responses to gain momentum. For each agency, tailor your message, use their name, attach images in the required format, and include your brief intro. Agencies flag generic mass emails. Make a simple spreadsheet logging dates, contacts, notes, and replies so nothing falls through the cracks. If you don't hear back, follow up after 10 to 14 days with a short, polite message reiterating interest and availability for meetings or test shoots. Finally, you handle meetings, contract details, and next steps to close the process. In interviews, present your strongest images and ask about commission rates, exclusivity, and how they book work. This prevents surprises. Before signing, review contract clauses with a trusted advisor so you know payment timelines and exit options. If agencies aren't responding, pivot. Use curated online platforms, grow social proof with consistent content, and schedule professional test shoots to strengthen your submissions and reopen conversations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.